is capital E, this is small e. In this video, we will learn words begin with letter E. E for engagement. E for eye. E for elephant. E for eating. E for 8. E for erasers. E for ear. E for education. E for exercise. E for eclipse. E for essay. E for enjoy. E for eyes. E for editor. E for eggshells. E for earth. E for equal. E for exit. E for east. E for Easter. E for eggplant. E for 11. E for envelope. E for enter. E for eyelid. E for Eskimo. E for elbow.
E for elevator. E for exclamation mark.
E for email. E for even. E for enlightenment. E for English. E for England. E for encounter. E for engineer. E for engine. E for empty. E for eyelashes. E for egg. E for endoscopy. E for election. E for electricity. E for elk. E for eelfish. E for elastic. E for eclair. E for eyebrow. E for eyeglass. Thanks.